Now, the next step is to create a Liftmaster account. Now, I already did, so we're not going to go through that process here. However, we are going to come up and add a new device, which can also be done clicking the cog. So you can click either this or that. So we're just going to come here. We're going to say add a place, which is actually adding a device, not a place. And then it's going to ask you for the serial number that was on the back of the device. So in my case, we're going to put that in. All right, so we entered the serial number that was on the back. Now we have to give it a name. So for this case, enter name for a place where it is located, i.e. home. So we're going to call it home. Call it home garage. Here we go. Place. And we could add another device if we wanted to. Place is just the name. Now we say add the device. Add a device. So garage door opener. We're going to say garage door opener. So we are going to need to go to our garage and locate the pairing button. So we're going to go out to the garage. We're going to take the camera. When we're ready, we're going to select this add, and then it will pair the gate that we just put to the garage door opener. All right, so we're going to press the add button, and then we're going to go out and select the pairing button for a remote. Your Liftmaster now goes into pairing mode. Notice that it's showing orange. So for my particular garage door opener, the pair button is hiding, and there we go, hiding up there. So I had to kind of pop this back cover off, but we're going to click it and get back inside. So after pressing the pairing button on the garage door opener, came back inside. It is now blue, and our desktop has now changed. So here we go, garage door opener. We're going to select, we're just going to leave it with this name and hit save. So there you go. It shows that the garage door opener and has been closed for 1 minute. So from here, if we wanted to, I can click on this and it will open the garage door. Now there also is the accompanying app, which they have unified. It used to be two different apps that you would have to get. One if you had this particular type of gateway, and one if you had the Wi-Fi version inside. So just install this app and we'll cover the app a little later. Showing Liftmaster app in action. Gives a countdown timer too. Shows that it's completed, might be a little hard to see. Also sent the notification. Now closing. Sadly, there's no way to get around that. The blinking light and the sound are for safety reasons. And there you go. Garage door is shut and sent me a notification.